Hey, I am super excited and I just want to jump right into it. I have a new set of watercolor pencils and I want to see, are they as easy as everyone says? Can a beginner or wannabe artist like me use watercolors? Well, stay tuned because today I'm unboxing a brand new watercolor set. I'll swatch the beautiful colors. Then for the fun part, a simple nature-inspired doodle. Okay, so I found this set at my local art supply store, and as soon as I opened the box, I was instantly hooked. The colors looked so vibrant. Suddenly, all these different ideas popped into my head. What should I create next? Should I do a landscape? Maybe I should do some flowers. How about something abstract? I had to tell myself to calm down. Just keep it simple. There's no need to stress over art. Y'all know I'm on my creative art journey, and one of my favorite parts of this journey is the swatch test. An artist I follow gave a tip for beginners. She said, don't rush swatching. That's like a tongue twister. Try to say that 3 times fast. What I've noticed so far is that these pencils are softer, so it's harder to get crisp, defined lines, and there's no way I can do any shading with these. But I will do a close-up so you can see the texture of the pencils. One last thing before I'm finished with my swatching, it's time to add the water. There's a lot of techniques that you can use. There's mixed media, where you can take regular pencils, pens, paints, pastels. You can combine them all together. There's a dry technique, where you just do some simple sketching. Or the wet techniques, which is what I tried. So now that I know what I was working with, I decided to go ahead and get started on my nature-inspired doodle. It is hard to see it now, but it's going to come together in the next few moments. I tried a few different things. I tried wetting the pencil and then drawing on the paper. Then I tried wetting the paper and using the colored pencil. And as you see, I had to get out an actual blow dryer because my paper was soaking wet. But hey, I am not tripping, I'm not upset. I'm here to draw, paint, and relax. There's no mistakes in art. In the spirit of warmer weather, and because I'm a lover of all things yellow, I chose to do this sunrise, or sunset. depending on how you look at it. I then decided that I would make this a mixed media piece. I like the simplicity of using a fine tip permanent marker. You can add lots of details, bold lines, textures. The creativity is endless. Hopefully you can see everything coming into place. And this is the part where the doodle really starts to pop. So why did I choose these designs for this drawing? I have no idea. But that's the best thing about drawing. There's no rules. Every scratch and scribble is telling a story. So let me give you a beginner review about these pencils. Keep in mind, I didn't know exactly what I was doing, and I didn't have the right kind of paper. Oh my goodness, paper. That's a whole nother subject. If you want to hear about my paper problem, you can check out this video after you watch this one, of course. So where was I? My review. For me, I found that using these watercolor pencils dry and then adding the water works best. If you notice in my picture, that one area on the left side that looks more teal, I like that look compared to all the others. Finally, I've finished. I'm surprised I don't have a cramp in my hand. And that's it. Here's my, quote, simple, beginner-friendly expressive doodle, complete with watercolor pencils and markers. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. But I enjoyed myself. Lastly, before I go, I want to send a huge shout out to all the creative minds out there. Keep doing what you're doing. All right, let me go ahead and go and get back to the drawing board.